Welcome to Diamond Protec's Nano Diamond Composite Coatings. Our coatings are ecologically cleaner, more user-friendly, and interact minimally with natural and chemical elements. You have selected Diamond Interior, our protective hydrophobic diamond polymer made for plastic, vinyl, and synthetic materials you find in your vehicle's interior. Once applied, Diamond Interior will eliminate the penetration of pollutants such as oil and grease, enhance the color of the material's surface, and provide UV protection for 1 year. Diamond Interior is applied in 4 easy steps. Clean surfaces with Diamond Body Prep. Apply on 1 to 2 elements at a time. Polish the treated surface, spreading evenly and removing excess. Allow to bond for 30 minutes. The vehicle is now ready for its passengers and has a longevity rating of 1 year. Mastering the mixing of enriched nanodiamonds for over 7 years, Diamond Protec has created evenly distributed diamond-armored elastic coating with inherent hydrophobic characteristics, offering cars a revolutionary new coating option. It's heat-resistant, UV-resistant, water-repellent, and provides the highest surface hardness and abrasion resistance that technology can offer. It also resists corrosion because it's inorganic, thereby having a slower erosion time than any other competitive product. This is the new generation of car protection, interior and exterior. For full step-by-step instructions on how to apply Diamond Interior, click the link below.